Okay, Cindy, now we have practice about future employment to make sure that you understand about simple present future. Yeah. Let's start
Okay.
from part one. Yeah. What kind of job will you do in the future?
Okay. I will work as a cook because I will enjoy preparing food and learning about different culinary.
Okay, and then where will you work after finishing your study?
I will work in the United States because I will take an internship in the cooking field.
Good. And what skill will you need for your future career as a cook?
I will need many skills. I will need cooking skills, creativity, teamwork, and good English communication skills also.
All right. And will you work in a country in Indonesia or abroad?
Okay. I will work abroad,
Mhm.
especially in America,
Why?
because I will learn about food culture and improve my English skills.
Okay. And how will your job be different from the job your parents do now?
My job will be in the culinary industry, while my parents' job will be different.
Mhm.
My job will focus on food, creativity, and working in a kitchen, but my parents work as a farmer.
All right. So they are different, right? And now we move on to part two. And I want you to describe the job that you will have in the future. So you have to talk about 3 to 4 minutes about this.
Okay, thank you for the time, Sir. I will describe the job that I will have in the future. In the future, I will work as a cook. Cooking is something I really enjoy, and I want to make it my career. I will work in a restaurant or international hotel, and I hope I will get a chance to work in the United States because I will learn more about food there. For this job, I will need many skills. I will need cooking skills, of course, but also teamwork, creativity, and good English because I will work with many people from different countries. Maybe I also need some qualifications from my studies or training, so I will prepare myself well. This job will be important to me because cooking is my passion. I will feel happy when I can prepare food for other people and make them enjoy it. Also, working abroad will help me grow and become more confident. Will I achieve this career easily? I don't think so. I will face challenge like adapting to a new place and working hard in the kitchen. But I believe if I practice and keep learning, I will reach my goal. When I get this job, my life will change a lot. I will be more independent, I will have international experience, and I will improve my skills. I will also meet many new people and open more opportunities for my future. Okay, that's all I think I can tell about my future job. Thank you, Mr.
All right. Yeah, it seems you have a very great goals for your future. So your life will change, yeah, if you can reach this goal. Okay, so I hope you are successful in reaching this ambition
Thank you,
for your
Mr.
goal. Okay.